Hi, this is Chef Gaëtan. Bonjour, how are you doing? Today we're outside. We're doing corn on the cob. And this is just a demonstration how we can do corn on the cob without anything complicated. So I started we have a hibachi there. And so I put the charcoal there. It's warming up. I just put the corn on the hibachi grill as is. I remove some dead leaf, but mostly as I pick up the corn on the cob at the store, I put it directly on the hibachi. What will happen as the heat increases, you will have steam building up inside the husk. That steam will cook the corn, and it will be very sweet, very natural flavor, and the corn will not be dry. So we'll wait a few minutes. The temperature is rising, and as the temperature rises, you will see the husk turning from green to brown. When it's brown or dark brown all around the husk, we know it's ready. It's almost a foolproof process. I was traveling in Colombia in 1986, and a street vendor offered us corn on the cob. And the corn on the cob was cooked exactly that way. I enjoy it because it's very sweet, well cooked, not overcooked, full of flavor. So this is what I propose today. The charcoal right now is red hot. It's probably the hottest temperature the charcoal will reach at this moment. The husk is brown, is getting darker and darker, and we can pick a look and see if it's ready. See the steam going on? Your corn is ready. It's sweet. It's absolutely delicious. The way I like it, it's with brushing on the corn olive oil, salt, pepper. Enjoy. It's delicious. If you don't have a grill, if you're in a surrounding where there's no grill, gas grill, hibachi, charcoal, I use the Breville air fryer, the function air fry in the Breville. Put that to the maximum temperature, put the timer for 15 minutes, and see the result. Same thing, it's delicious. Cook in the steam of the vegetable itself, and you cannot get better. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. We'll see you soon.